Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how you can quickly create textures on base color channel based on your baked mesh maps from high poly mesh to low poly mesh via my new hand paint texturing tool, PI Light Material. So we have character loaded in and we have some mesh maps baked from Marmoset toolbar. I have here two layers, ZBrush Vertex Color and GI Light Material for two texture sets. So first you should install these two. Go to Add Resources and GI Light Material, add SBSR file, import resources to library your sets. This tool will appear here in Filters tab. Now you simply drag and drop this ball to base color channel. Now we switch shader to base color only mode. Here we have basic grayscale gradient. When you start to set up your materials, you should define your surface properties first. How you can do it? I highly recommend to do this without vertex color, because all the difference in shaders will be much more noticeable. So you open preset tab in tool and select desired preset for some kind of surfaces here. Every surface is tweakable via standard metallic roughness and glossiness slider that everyone knows. If I have metallic 1, we have metallic surface. If I have metallic 0, we have plastic surface with sharp specular. Specular sharpness can be tweaked via roughness slider. Same for metallic surface. That's how those presets are defined. Ring light, sharp metal, rough, and other presets is the presets for ring light only lighting mode. You can set it here, set lighting mode. This can be very useful if you create custom surfaces with refraction. Surfaces with refraction can be created via set shading mode tab. You select shading mode to Fresnel shading, and now you can define metallic or roughness surfaces in inverted shading mode. Also, you can use this tool to create anime textures for your characters. Let's enable vertex color layer and open front light color and back light color tabs. If you tweak value of level slider, this will add flat shading to surface. We should do this for both color layers. Now you should move your specular on surface. Now we have anime-like effect on her hair. Also, you can add glossiness to her hair if you want. Change surface properties on the fly, depending from what surface type you are using. And you can also invert shading if you want to achieve different effects or painted effects on surface. Same for character body. Anime shaders and specular can be created via level, add flat specular slider. So we switch texture set and tweak level slider for front and back lights on surface. Metallic roughness and glossiness sliders can be combined via textures. If you open textures standard tab in Substance, you can use various texture presets here via simple drag and dropping to metallic, roughness and glossiness tab in this tool. When you drag a texture, switch metallic, roughness and glossiness mode to use texture for metallic, roughness and glossiness. Now when you increase styling, this will change surface properties. See? That's how you can add some volume to your mesh if you don't have baked volume. The last thing that I would like to explain quickly here is coloring. Your surface volume completely depends from color what you selected here. If you have dark color, you have less volume. If you have bright color, you have more volume. Same for every parameter in this tool. I think this is the most efficient way to tweak character volume. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching.